Hello, thanks a lot for stopping by How to Cook Great. Now if you like what you see, there's over 3,000 other cooking videos on our channel. Give us a thumbs up, leave a comment, and I'll try and get back to you. Okay, let's get on with this one. So I can't stop making this one. I just love it. My whole family love this one as well. This is cilantro chicken or coriander chicken. We're cooking it in some cumin seeds, and then we're gonna, put it into a lovely deep coconut sauce with some other spices. It's really simple, and it really is absolutely delicious. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, so we're gonna start off with our chicken. Now, I've got a whole chicken there, which I've quartered. That's a 1.1 kg chicken. Just over 2 pounds. Simply, we're going to get to the cooker. We're going to start to fry that off first. So you're going to need a wok pan or something like that. I'm going to drop in here some ghee, which is a clarified butter. Here we go. So we've probably got 2 tablespoons there. That's the ghee that I'm using, if anyone's interested. Okay, so on a fairly lively heat, I'm just going to melt that down. Back in a moment. So just as that melts in there, we're going to add 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds. And then we're going to place our chicken in. Like I said, I've quartered this. Get some black pepper in there, plenty of that. Don't be shy with your black pepper for this one. Maybe 2 teaspoons. Salt. I'm going to put the heat on medium now, and we're going to fry this around for about 6 or 7 minutes. I'll be turning it often. Okay, I've just popped the legs on top of those breasts because those breasts are a bit bigger, so they need a bit more time to cook. Okay, so I think I said 6 or 7 minutes. It wasn't. It was about 8 or 9 minutes because those breasts are really quite big. Okay, what we're going to do is we're going to fetch them out, set them aside. Okay, so we're back. The heat is on. I've kept the same pan because we've got some lovely flavours in there, Got some chicken flavours in there, of course, and the salt, pepper, and the cumin seeds. We're going to drop in 1 large onion and 1 tablespoon of garlic ginger paste. We're on an above medium heat, and we're going to go for about 3 to 4 minutes. Fabulous. Okay, we're going to get some powders in now. We've got 3 teaspoons of coriander, 2 chili, 2 turmeric, 2 cumin. And we're going to keep this moving all the time now, just for about 90 seconds. Fabulous. Now, we're going to get our chicken back in there. Let's get that in. And then we're going to add some coconut milk. I've got like a 1.5 pints there. We're going to turn the heat up quite high. And we're going to cook this for about 6 minutes or so. It will reduce down. Give it a stir every now and then. Okay, off goes the heat. That's really reduced down, as you can see. That is beautiful. Now look at that. Really fantastic. Now, a couple of more things. We're going to add a little bit of salt. We're going to add half a lemon, a little squeeze. Just a bit of lemon juice in there, just at the end. I think it's lovely. And then cilantro or coriander. Job done. Really, really lovely. I love this so much, this one. Really fragrant, mild, tangy. It's got everything, this one. Let me get it on a plate. Okay, and there she is, just fantastic. Great with some bread or with some rice. I just love this coriander or cilantro chicken. You keep safe, you keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love.